Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Sunday and a fabulous weekend. Well, today as you can see we have an unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's find out what is in the bag. Oh, we have cross-stitch kits. If I can get them out of there. They're sticking in both sides. Let me get rid of that crazy thing. All right, we have 2 kits, and these kits come from the Fansells store, and if they have any specials or any discount codes, or if I have any, they'll be right in here. Let me get rid of the scissors. I don't think I'll need them. I think we'll start with the one on the bottom because it's the most crinkly. Let me get it out of its bag. All right. This is a Yishu kit, and it is 45 by 60. It was $10.03. But yeah, I'm going to fold it this way so you can see it. But look at those gorgeous peonies. I'm believing they're peonies. We have peonies, butterflies, and a fan. Very, very nice. Just absolutely gorgeous. And it is, let me see what it says down here, 168 by 233 in stitches. We have 45 colors in this. Oh my goodness gracious. Stunning, 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 gorgeous. See what we have for colors. We have no 310 black. No 550 purple. Amazing. Well, yeah. No 550 purple. We have 824, not 823. We have 939, which we're probably using for a black. We have 995 and 996. That's those 2 turquoise colors that I always talk about. No 3371. And we have 3865 for white. I'm not expecting too much of that, but gosh, can you ever? Look at the blues and the pinks and the oranges. Ugh. We even have a little bit of green in there. I love the butterfly. I just love it all. Yeah. It's just gorgeous. Now, I can't really tell how confettied it's going to be. From the looks of the paper pattern will match the canvas before I forget. It looks a little confettied when you get into detailed, but not so much that you really can't handle, but just rivers of color, nice big areas, you know, so everything's filled up. It's not like this whole background is one shade. Yeah. I just absolutely love this. So let's take a look. See what else is... Whoops, I folded it wrong. My bad. That's what happens when I fold it a different way. It does come with a toolkit. You have a needle threader, a needle or thimble, 5 needles in a little vial that snaps shut. I don't have one laying out. But these are absolutely great if you're going somewhere. You can just tuck it in and you know they're safe, because it takes a little bit of effort to get that open, so it wouldn't come open on you. And you can put as much stuff in there, and I do believe, let me just sing its praises for a second. Let me see if that'll fit in there. Oh, whoop. Let's go the other way. Yes, even the needle threader fits in there. So, very nice indeed. Let's take a look at the colors. I'm just going to move everything else out of my freeway. Look at that yumminess. Does have the product number here. Now, I want to check. Product number is, oh, I had it upside down, my bad, is 10260, 10260, and on the paper pattern it is 10260. 10260. So everything matches. So that's good. Let me just set that canvas out of the way. And let me get this thread out. Look at that stunning array of colors. This and the one right behind it is 996, and one is 996 and 1995. But those are those two gorgeous turquoise colors. We have pinks. Look at the purple. It looks like an Easter basket. Oh my goodness. We have pinks and purples and blues and oh my. Yeah, even bright green. Just absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous, stunning array. From darks to pastels. It's just stupendous. And I'm losing the rubber band. They have finally started putting bigger rubber bands on there. But just beautiful, beautiful colors. And yeah, the colors are so beautiful. I don't even care that they're on thread drops. And they're not in order, so you have to put them all in order. For now. Maybe. I'm going to put it right back in its bag so it doesn't get lost. Let's take a look at the gorgeous canvas. Canvas is serged all the way around. Very nicely printed. Everything's going in the right proper direction. This is just stunning. Now see, here's some confetti right here, and a little bit here. But when you get down to these flowers, they're in like rivers of color. Just absolutely gorgeous. I got things going left and right. My goodness gracious. But very nice. The serging does not go into the numbers, so they're very easy to see. So just stupendous. I am going to go slowly. We're going sideways, guys. But very nicely done. The canvas is filled, except for this color right over in here. It's a little big, and it's a little big right in here, so there's not too much definition, but the rest of the detailing is just phenomenal. Just phenomenal. And with 45 colors, oh yeah. Those flowers are going to look stupendous. All right, we have almost 59 centimeters or 23¼ inches by almost 45 centimeters or 17¾ inches. Actual is a little under 15¼ inches or 38½ centimeters by 53 centimeters or a little over 20¾ inches. So it's not too big. This is a nice summer one. It doesn't completely engulf you, you know. It'd sit on your lap really nice. I'm trying to roll that up as usual. And nice soft fabric. It looks stiff, but it's very pliable, shall I say. Just absolutely gorgeous. Just, oh, yeah, I can hardly wait to start that. All right. Now this one is a 54 by 63 Joy Sunday. It's called Crane Longevity. I can't say the word. Longevity. Holy cow. Get too many I's and E's and Y's in there. But we'll take it out of here. Hopefully everything is okay. I haven't been seeing this and I thought, you know, might as well. And this is very odd. I think this got wet. We'll look. Maybe it's just the way it's printed, but... Oh, well, it's not the way... It is the way it's printed, but this is inside out. That's quite different. Okay. Had my heart going for a moment. I'm like, oh my God, I can't see the things. It looks like it's been wet. I'll be fine. Breathe. Okay. Is that not stunning? Look at that. Oh, yeah, there's going to be a lot of 310 black at 54 by 63. Holy cow, but I loved the contrast between the black and those beautiful red and pink flowers and the white. What's it called? Red-crowned cranes. Say that 3 times. But just absolutely stunning. So we'll see how that all goes. This booklet is separated out into 12 parts. It is 256 by 304. Let's see what's going on here. I'm looking for colors. Maybe. Ah, holy cow. Now, this, any other time I'd probably complain. This only has 20 colors, but if you actually look at it, it's kind of like the Silk Golden Dragon. There's very few colors, but I think the 20 colors are going to work for this. I really do. So, we have no more. It's straight cross stitch, no back stitch, nothing. Very well printed before I get it into what the colors are. Very nice. So we have, of course, 310 black, no 939. We have 816, looks like a brick red. B5200 for the white, and it does have that 3770, which I call a butter color. So very nice, very well printed. It's going to take you a hot moment to do all that black, but it will be so worth it. When I look at this, it looks like a square diamond painting for some reason. I jonesing to do diamond painting, but yeah, just stunning. Let's take a look at all those colors, because we know we're going to have about 4 hanks of 310 black. Well, maybe not. This is 14 count, so we have a chance. Oh dear. Oh God. Oh God. Yeah, that's what I thought. This canvas has been wet. You can tell right here. I will get in touch with Fansells and see what I can do. But look at all the 310 black. There's probably 2.5 hanks. There's that. Well, it doesn't look so buttery next to that yellow, but yeah. We'll see. Maybe it'll be simple enough that it won't be a problem. It doesn't smell like mold. That's good. So we have oranges and pinks and peaches and pale pink and yellow. And this is on one of those nice thread cards that tells you how many strands. Doesn't on the 310 black. It says over here 15 plus 99. So yeah, beautiful, beautiful colors. Yeah, now I'm anxious. It does come with 2 needles before I forget that. So let's take a look at the canvas. And crap. Just crap. And I really like this one. It might not be too bad. I think. Now, of course, you can look on the... there's no confetti that I'm seeing. But you can tell. See how smeared it is? I will let them know. But yeah, look at where all that green is. That's all 310 black. I don't know. Might be able to work through this, though. We'll just kind of take it as it goes. Because it's not a complicated pattern. So that's why I'm not real weird about it. But I'm not seeing any pluses, any circles. So yeah, I will let them know, and maybe they can replace it. And yeah, we can go from there. Yeah, I'm not going to measure it. Yeah, I'm a little upset. Just a little upset. So I will contact them and let them know, and maybe with the next order they can send me a new canvas, because It'd be pretty iffy. Yeah. Now, that is all I got from Fansells. Thank you, Fansells, for sending me these two. They're beautiful kits. Beautiful. I just love the pictures on both of them, so I can't say that they're not beautiful. But the other one was very well put together and not wet. Now, Fansells has diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all of that. And they also have puzzles, wax sealing. They even have music boxes and paper quilling. So they always have great prices and something for everyone. So do check them out. Thank you, everyone, for watching today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. And we'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.